Hmm?
That's a baby.
That's you.
I see. I see.
You want to see it? Let me see. Let me see your paper.
Look at this.
Who did that?
Huh?
Who did that?
Mama did.
You did.
My sister did.
Where's Sissy?
Let's see that.
Yeah, where's Sissy?
I'm not going to go watch that sister got to me.
Where's she at choir?
Huh?
Sissy at choir?
I was calling
Yeah, choir.
Minute, Daddy. Minute.
Just a minute. Okay.
Just a minute, Daddy.
You gonna draw some more?
Huh? Huh?
You gonna draw some more?
On this side, Daddy. On this side.
Mm-hmm.
This side. Daddy, look at that. This is to me apple.
It's an apple?
This is an apple, Daddy.
Looks more like a pear.
Huh? Huh?
Draw a circle.
Circle.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that apple, see.
Yeah.
This would be nice, that apple.
Be a nice apple.
This apple, Daddy.
Yeah.
This is that apple. What you doing?
What?
What you doing?
What am I doing? I'm taking pictures of you.
Huh?
Taking pictures.
The baby? The baby?
Well, you're my baby, aren't you?
The baby got.
Mm-hmm.
What's she got? Nice stick. Nice. Nice. And John. Daddy, the big apple, Daddy.
The big apple?
Daddy, that's the big apple.
Yeah.
This is me nice stick. Mommy. It's mommy. It's mommy.
She went upstairs.
What's this? I'll take this page. I'll take this.
What?
I'll take this.
Take it where?
I'll take this, Daddy.
Put it up on the counter if you're done.
Okay, I need some stuff.
Where are you going?
What's this see Mom doing?
See what?
What's your mom doing?
Want to see what Mommy's doing? Okay.